What you doing, bub? Have you been dove hunting?
Yeah.
You been dove hunting today? You're sitting up on the hay bale, checking out the doves?
No, 3.
How many did you shoot? 3, 4? Wasn't a lot, but it was fun. Did you have fun? Bubba, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Good. Uh-oh, that's your shells, isn't it? Can't lose your shells.
Uh-oh.
You sitting up on the hay bale? Got feathers sticking to you, don't you? Look, there's an airplane coming. Oh, there's another bird. And say, Sissy's playing with Grace. I don't know if you can see them, they're way over there playing. Sissy and Grace. See the airplane? Look at that airplane up there. See it?
Coming.
How old are you, Bubba? You just turned 2? I'm 2 years old. Can you hold one of those birds up and show Daddy? Hold one of the birds up and show Daddy.
It's so down.
You want to get down?
It's so down.
Oh, you want to throw it down? Hey, don't throw it down.
Right there. Right there. Right there. Bird.
Birds. Pick him up. Show Daddy that bird.